We start our base with exactly 1 cup of dry, raw, whole oats. Instead of using commercial white flour that instantly spikes your blood sugar and paralyzes your gut motility, we are shattering these oats on high speed for 10 seconds into a clean, single-ingredient flour. When you grind your own grain instantly like this, you preserve the natural intact fibers that your gut bacteria actually need to function. Notice the texture. It is light, raw, and completely free of the chemical preservatives. We are pouring 3 tablespoons of whole flax seeds directly over our oat flour, followed by a heavy 1/3 cup of raw pumpkin seeds and a single pinch of coarse sea salt. To bind this flatbread without eggs or yeast, we start with 1/2 cup of warm water. We slice a fresh lemon clean in half and squeeze the juice of that entire half directly into the water, letting the natural citric acid prepare the liquid. Over this base, we drop exactly 2 tablespoons of raw chia seeds and give it a smooth, rhythmic stir. Watch this closely as it sits. The chia seeds drink the citrus water and instantly expand into a thick, cloudy, protective gel. Inside your stomach, this exact same gel coats your digestive tract, dramatically slowing down glucose absorption and putting a complete halt to rapid post-meal bloating. We pour our activated chia gel right over the dry base, adding 1 tablespoon of honey for color balance and 1 tablespoon of pure olive oil. We get our bare hands into the bowl, pressing it until it fuses into a heavy, tacky ball of dough. We place the dough between 2 sheets of baking paper, and we use our palms to flatten it out completely like a thick pancake, exactly 1 centimeter thick. We set a regular frying pan on the stove over medium heat with a tiny wipe of olive oil. Lay the flatbread gently into the pan. No oven, no waiting. We let it sear for 4 minutes until a deeply toasted, rigid crust forms, flip it, and give the second side 3 more minutes. Look at this final result. It is completely rigid on the outside, incredibly soft and moist on the inside, and packed with visible whole seeds, 0 flour, 0 yeast, and absolutely 0 bloating. This is what real, honest food looks like. But listen to me closely. Swapping your bread is only step 1. True digestive liberation happens when you sequence your entire day around your body's natural biological clock.